After so many years of space searching, in our own galaxy, the Milky Way, in the Aquarius constellation, an exoplanetary system has been located which is almost same as our solar system. The star system has an ultra-cool dwarf star, located around 39.5 light-years away from the Sun. This exoplanetary system is called Trappist-1, named for the transiting planets and Planet-Simul's small telescope, Trappist, in Chile. NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope, along with the ground-based telescopes, has located these star system with 7 planets as of now. Till 2015, there were only 3 planets that were seen in this system. But in the fall of 2016, Spitzer observed Trappist-1 continuously for about 500 hours. Spitzer is an infrared telescope that trails Earth as it orbits around the Sun, studied the star's glow in infrared light, whose wavelengths are longer than the light's wavelength. Spitzer is uniquely positioned in its orbit to observe crossings and transits of the planets in front of the host star to reveal the complex architecture of the system. In Trappist-1 system, the closest planet 1 is so close that it revolves around its sun in almost 1.5 days. The last one is farther and revolves in about 20 days. The 5th planet is about the same size as that of Earth and it takes around 9 days to circle its sun. Using Spitzer data, the team precisely measured the sizes of the 7 planets and developed first estimates of the masses of 6 of them, and thus estimating their densities. Based on their densities, all of the Trappist-1 planets are likely to be rocky. More observations will not only help determine whether they are rich in water as well as atmospheric methane for life. The mass of the 7th and farthest exoplanet has not yet been estimated. Scientists believe it could be an icy, snowball-like world, but further observations are needed. As compared to our Sun, Trappist-1 is supposed to be a ultra-cool dwarf star, close to the size of Jupiter. It is supposed to be so cool that even water can survive on planets very close to it, so it is hoped that the planets can have liquid water on or under surface. The planets are very close to each other, such that potentially, the clouds and geographical locations can be viewed from another planets. Planets are supposed to be tidally locked to their sun, which means that their one side is always facing the star. Before this exoplanetary system, Kepler had observed another system that has a giant planet that can be Earth-like planet known as Kepler 22b. But Trappist-1 is first of its kind to be observed, as it has 7 or more planets, similar to Earth size and mass. Now after the Spitzer, Hubble, and Kepler space telescopes will look for info on this exoplanetary system. James Webb Space Telescope will join them in research in 2018, with the Large Magellan Earth Telescope to join them later in after 2020 plus. But as of now we can assume that we may have a picnic spot or a home in space. We may go there in next 150 years, when our technology develops. But before we go all put in space, we will have to send robotic missions to possible Earth-like exoplanets, as it's not a round trip, just one-way trip even to the closest star. Till then, Earth is only home for us. So don't be idiot, stop war, and save Earth. Our one and only home. The Earth.